kids, I am going to draw Mommy Longlegs. Her hands, legs, and hair are dark pink, which reflects her dark psychotic attitude perfectly. On the other hand, her skin is light pink, which says she has a dark personality in a dark way which is darker. That means she is so dark that she takes her every cruelty and malicious ways very lightly. Kids, I am drawing Mommy Longlegs for you. First I will draw Mommy's hair. Her hair is like a spring roll and pink round candy in your childhood. I doubt her hair might be a little gummy and you may like to chew it. But it's better to be fantastic in your mind, cause if you do it in area, real ending rubber likey hair would stick in your stomach forever and it will keep growing there as long as you're alive. No doubt why moms are always so flexible in every situation. Then I will draw her sticky hair which looks like noodles. Little kids, don't eat them thinking food companies launched new strawberry flavored noodles for you. Stop being greedy or Mommy's long legs will eat you mixing in her soup. So, we understand by seeing Mommy's sticking hair that she will stick to her kids no matter what storms go on. It's time to draw her body, kids. She looks like most other girls. She always wears this party girl dress. Though she is nothing like a party girl. She is more like a creepy long-legged monster. She is always aggressive and is rarely in peace for a moment, kids. Live your life by shouting, kids.